Dual shitters. See that?
See, there's that switch I was talking about. I think that's the switch for the engine block, or is that for... Maybe it's on the other coach.
Yeah.
What does that say, pump?
Yeah.
Oh, no. I think it's on the one, the other one next to. You gotta see it has a...
It's only $100,000.
That's a really nice piece of dual shitters.
Mm-hmm. Want to sit in the seat? Here, I'll hold this for you.